Open house this weekend. Attention all home hunters. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath, single-family home located at 107 Bouve Avenue in Brockton is the perfect opportunity for you. We're hosting an open house this weekend, so don't miss your chance to see this move-in ready gem. Enjoy cooking in a beautiful remodeled kitchen featured new cabinets, sleek stainless steel appliances, and stunning granite countertops. Brand new windows installed within the last 6 months. Bathe the entire home in natural light, creating a cheerful and bright atmosphere. This cozy 824 square foot home offers a comfortable living space that's perfect for the first-time buyers, downsizers, or anyone looking for a low maintenance free lifestyle. Priced at $360,000, this property represents an excellent value in the Brockton market. Don't miss your chance to make this charming home yours. I think you are going to like what you see. Hope to see you at the open house.